Velcro is a very interesting material. It's rectangular and it sticks together. It's found on clothes, such as to put a coat together instead of buttons, or to seal up a cuff on a coat, or any other materials like that. The word Velcro is split up into two parts, vel and crow, and they both mean different things. Velcro was invented a long time ago, in the 1940s, by a man priest who was on a hike. And he noticed that on his cuff were a bunch of bugs stuck on there with their legs. I thought that was very interesting. They were just sitting right on there, so he picked them all off, and they went right back onto his coat, and they stuck right on there, right onto his cuff. There's many of them. I thought it was very fascinating. So he brought one of them home to his house. And he figured out how they were stuck on to his cuff so good, and he figured out that it was because they had these little hook things that stuck onto the little tiny circles on his coat. So he saw the hook, and it fit right into the hole. They connected right together. So that is how he made Velcro. He took a rectangular piece of fabric and he made those two parts. He made one side all little hooks and the other side little loops. And they stuck together. The hooks clipped on to the loops. That's how Velcro was invented.